Greetings, Blue Bandits, and I am bringing you a little message about the recent difficulties. Yeah, whenever I don't know if my watching the first episode of Kirby Superstar for part 1. When I was filming Kirby Superstar, I don't know if you guys actually noticed, but there was absolutely no fucking sound for the emulator. I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Where'd the sound go? I bet you guys are wondering that. Where's the fucking sound? Well, I do have an answer for that. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys here in a minute. Because technically it's a sound glitch that needs to be checked out. So I'm putting all video recordings, all the Let's Play recordings on hold until this problem is fixed. I'm sorry guys, but with sound as quiet as that, you don't know what the fuck the sound is. Like, you're like, what the fuck? Like, we were watching Kirby Superstar and we noticed there's no fucking sound. Yeah, I know, there's no sound. It's a technical difficulty with the freaking sound. Like, I try and play a fucking video on my computer. That's not on YouTube. A video off of my computer. That's not on YouTube. Absolute silence. Even a fucking emulator. Video is not on YouTube. Silent as fuck. I mean, come the fuck on! What do you guys would call that? Technical glitch? Obviously, that's what it is. So, I am gonna go get that checked out and fixed as soon as possible, so all the video recordings can resume. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed how my hair is, but I went and got a haircut. And it is short. Yeah, I got a motherfucking haircut. Yeah, talk about haircuts. Haircuts rule. Oh, so this has been a news bulletin for the YouTube video recordings. This is Pikachu Fan 2019 signing out. Signing out!